Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. Hope you all will be fine. Today we are going to start module number 2, formatting numbers, task number 3, create a graphs, and this is a level 4. In this task we will use MS Excel programs, and our learning objectives will be, in this task student will be able to learn how to create a graph to present some informations. First of all, we have to know the definitions of chart or graphs. What is a chart or graphs? A chart or graphs is the visual graphical presentations of the informations. It makes it easier to understand the numbers and analyze them. Students, usually it is much faster to compare shapes than numbers. We have history of Microsoft Excel. The first versions of Microsoft Excel was released on September 30th, 1985 for Macintosh. The first version for Windows was released in November 1987. Student, there are a lot of charts to choose from, but how did you know which one you should choose every time? Student, we have different types of charts to show different informations. Suppose we have column and bar charts. In column and bar charts, we usually use for comparing values. We have another line charts. Line charts are usually used to display data through time. And next one is pie chart. Pie charts are usually used for percentage. If we want to show percentage, we have to use pie charts. Students, we have a lot of different charts. A 3D chart is definitely more impressive, but that does not mean that the other can always understand it. Class, do not choose chart based on how fancy they look, but on how easy they make it to read the informations. We have a chart, column and bar charts. It is quite difficult to class. If you change something in your table and press enter, the chart will automatically change to show the new correct informations. Student, this is hands-on activity on page number 41. In this activity, we have a table that contains the name of the students and their heights, and we will make a chart and see who is the tallest and who is the shortest in the class, and we will also calculate the average of height of all students. Students, for this purpose, first we will calculate the average of the height of the students. For this purpose, we will have to write the formula average bracket close, and we will adjust the decimal. We can decrease the after decimal digits. We can calculate the maximum height of the students. For this purpose, we will write the formula maximum, and we will give a range from this cell to this cell, and the minimum of the height of the students equal sign minimum and min bracket close. We will give a range Now student, we will apply charts. First we will select the data, then we will click on the insert. Student, we can resize the size of the chart and we can adjust the chart. Student, we can analyze the maximum height of Muhammad Rahim is shown in this chart, and Zishan has the shortest height in this chart.